Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas in an air fryer. First, gather your favorite ingredients like tortillas, cheese, and any fillings you desire, such as cooked chicken or vegetables. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking and a crispy result. Lightly grease the air fryer basket to prevent your quesadilla from sticking, making cleanup much easier. Now, let's assemble your delicious quesadilla. Carefully place one tortilla into the preheated air fryer basket. Evenly spread a generous layer of your favorite cheese over the tortilla, leaving a small border. Add your pre-cooked fillings, like seasoned chicken or sautéed peppers, on top of the cheese. Finally, place a second tortilla on top, creating a sandwich. This method helps keep everything contained. It's time to get that perfect crisp. Cook your assembled quesadilla in the air fryer for 5 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After the initial cooking time, carefully open the air fryer. Using tongs or a spatula, gently flip the quesadilla over to ensure both sides brown evenly. Close the air fryer and continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until it's golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once your quesadilla is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove it from the air fryer. Let it cool for just a minute or two before handling. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Slice your crispy quesadilla into wedges and serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. It's a quick, easy, and delicious meal. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.